Okay, so if you have a door which will not close, and it used to, what you want to do is you want to look along this edge and follow it up. So as you can see, the door is actually tighter at the bottom than it is at the top, which means we need to adjust the hinges. So now, if we take a look at these hinges, we can see the top actually doesn't look too bad. We can snug these in a little bit, and that is certainly going to help. But as we go down the door, we can start to see that we have some loose screws, and then down here we really have some loose hardware. So if we try and tighten this middle one, as you can see, this one is stripped out. So we're not actually holding the door snug like we should. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this screw out. We're going to replace it with a longer one that will be able to bite into this door. So I'm going to get this one going. Now I don't want to strip it. So once I start to get it in there, I'm going to start tightening all these. All right. So that's the way I want it, but it looks to me like these two screws are actually pretty stripped out as well. So I'm going to replace both of these with some longer ones to get this door secure. Now that I have these hinges nice and snug, the door closes the way it should. Now, to make sure this doesn't happen again, one of the things you want to do is look behind the door and extend this bumper so that the door doesn't swing open too far. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.